Hi, I'm Todd Amazine. I've been an internet business consultant for 15 years. I'm going to show you how to create your own email stationery in Outlook Express.
Outlook Express is a registered trademark of the Microsoft Corporation, a company with which I have no affiliation. With Outlook Express open, select Tools from the menu bar, scroll down and select Options, and then from the Tab section across the top, click on Compose. Scroll down to the Stationery box and select Create New. This will now take us through the Stationery Setup Wizard. On this screen, click Next. And here we can choose a variety of options, the first of which is the background picture. You'll see by clicking on the down arrow next to the picture box a selection of preloaded images for your background. I'm simply going to select the first image, and you'll see it's previewed to the right. Or if you choose, you can browse your own hard drive to select a picture that you've created and that is on your computer. We can also change the position of the image, top, center, or bottom, or we can choose to position it left, right, or center. We can also tile the image. I can demonstrate for you by clicking on the down arrow next to Tile, and I'll select vertically. You'll see in the preview to the right that creates duplications of the image down the entire page. We can also tile it horizontally, which creates duplicates of the image across the top of the page, or we can choose entire page, which will do both. I'm simply going to select Do Not Tile. We can also change the background color. The default, by clicking on this check box here, the default background color is white. If I click on the down arrow, you'll see I have a selection of colors. I'm going to choose navy by clicking on it, and now I'm going to click Next. Here we can alter the font. Again, by clicking on the down arrows, you can simply select the font that you choose, the font size that you would like, and the font color that you would like. We can also make the font bold and or italic simply by clicking in the boxes next to those words. Now we click Next, and we can change the left and top margins of the signature. If we change the left margin simply by clicking on the up arrow, you'll see that in the preview the text slides to the right. If we change the top margin, again by clicking on the arrow, you can see that it moves the text down from the top. Now we click on Next, and now we give it a name, simply by typing in the box where the cursor is already placed. I'm going to name mine My Stationery 2. You choose the name that you prefer. And when you're done, click on Finish. When you return to this screen, click OK.
You've just learned how to create your own email stationery in Outlook Express. I'm Todd Amazine.